This morning, we are coming to go another live on how to cut trousers. It seems plenty of people have been complaining, and this is the best and simple way of how to cut trousers. Here is our measurements. So first of all, you rule a straight line over here like this. Then you rule another one over here in a vertical way. So that is where our markings will be starting from. So, so without wasting my time, let's start with the cuttings. First of all, we will divide our waist into 4. 33 divided by 4 will give us 8 and quarter. Our waist divided by 4 plus 1.5 inches. That will give us our crotch line. So 8 and quarter, 33 will give us 8 and quarter plus 1.5, which will give us 10 3 quarters, 10.75. So that is where our crotch line will be starting from. And then we will come up by 2 inches for our crotch curve. So after getting that, our main length measurement is 36.5. So 36.5. Mark 36.5 and then add our hemming allowance. I always choose 1.5. So 1.5 over here like this. And then for our knee measurement, to get our knee line, we just divide our full length into 2. So 36 divided by 2 will give us 18 and quarter, right? 18 and quarter. So after making all these, we'll just mark out the lines like this. Sorry, the lines came into the measurements. Just rule out the straight lines like this. Over here, over here, over here, over here. In my trousers cutting, I always want a straight outfit, a straight and clean measurement at the length part, coming from the knee to the calf into the length part. So I always come up by 5 inches and mark it out like this. So it's now time for us to put in the measurements. So before starting, you divide our thigh into 2. Our thigh is 24. So 24 divided by 2 will give us 12 inches. 12 inches, you mark it here like this perfectly. After marking the 12 inches, you divide it into 2. You divide our 12 inches into 2 like this. You get 6. So you 6. Then you divide 1 inches from the 6. So 6 divided by 1 will give us 5. So you mark the 5 inches over here like this, like this, like this, and like this. This is a formula that works perfectly because everybody has a sort of a body shape or body size. So after that, before coming here, you just come here by half of an inch, half inches, and then our waist divided into 4, 33 divided into 4. After dividing the 33 into 4, you just add a 1 inches for the sewing of the fly. You see, for the sewing of the fly. So 33 divided by 4 will give us 8 and quarter. 8 and quarter over here plus 1 inch. 1 inch. After getting 8 and quarter, you measure from this line, the vertical line that we drew here. You measure from that we got 10 1/4, and bring that same measurement over here, 10 1/4 plus half inch, and then we join these two lines together. Yeah, you see here it's slanted. It shouldn't be straight. You join it together like this, and then over here you connect this line. So after connecting this line and marking out the waistline, you subtract 1 inch. If the person does not have a pot belly, flat stomach, subtract 1 inch over here, and then join it like this. You see, our trousers is coming into life. After you are done with this, you just mark out your crotch curve like this. So it's now time for us to put in the knee and the waist, the knee and the calf measurements. The calf measurement, some people say bars, but I don't agree. The calf measurement is 17.5. 17.5 divided into 4. Sorry, 13.5. 13.5 divided into 4 will give us 3.5. You see, so 3.5 here. No, yeah, will give us 3.5. 3.5 here. 3.5 here. 3.5 here. 3.5 here. 3.5 here. And our knee measurement is 17.5. So we divide that one into 4. 17.5 divided into 4. 17.5 divided into 4 will give us 4 1/4. So 4 1/4 here, 4 1/4 here. You see how it has come to life. So it's now time for us to join both lines together. This is measurement that works even without using French curves. You just rule it out like this. Join it out like this. Okay. Join it out like this. Nicely. We do the same thing over here. Just join it like this. Then join this one too like this. Then back this one too like this. You see how it has come to life. Very simple. Very simple. That's it. So after finishing with this, you just cut it out. You just cut it out like this. First of all, you cut this part out. And then you cut this part out. When cutting it out, you measure your fly length. I always measure my fly length of 6.75. Then I'll mark it here because the person is not long, and then I'll notch half 1 inch inside. After that, you continue cutting. This is a live stream, so please share for us so that you come here. This is a very nice formula that works. It's a very simple formula for every trouser cutting, no matter how the body measurement of the person. Yeah, yeah, is how it is. Probably next week I'll be going live on how to cut a kaftan shirt. Plenty people have been asking me. See how it has become very nicely. So after that, you will fold it and put it aside, and then you turn, you bring the wrist forward without turning it like this. You lay that one to back like this, and then you see our trousers was being cut like this. You just turn it upside down in order not to waste your fabric. Just turn it upside down. Sorry, guys. Just turn it upside down, and then check everything. So here is it. How neatly it has been arranged. Just 2.5. After cutting the front part, the rest is very easy. You just mark 2.5 inches on the knee line, then 2.5 inches. Two and a half inches. Sorry for the background noise. Yeah, it's a very noisy place. So after finishing with the front part, the back part is so easy to graft. So over here, you just come up by 2 inches, 2 inches like this, and then mark out a straight line. So you divide this measurement into two. We got 9.5. 9.5 divided into 2 is 4.75. 4.75. And then here is for the back that after getting our 9.5, we just add an allowance of 2 inches. Half for this part and the rest for the back part. So an allowance of 1.5 inches. Then you draw your curve like this. Draw out your curve like this. That's all for the back part. Very easy. After getting it, you just cut it out. You see, after getting it, you just cut it out very nicely. So let's go with the cutting. See how it is. size. Very simple. That's all for the cutting of trousers. So now let me just show you how I cut out. Thank you for watching. I'll be doing a short video of how I cut out my pocket and the waistband and the rest. Thank you. Thank you for the like. Bye bye.